Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient background color to chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add gradient color to chart. Firstly, insert a chart. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option and choose a chart. Then finally click OK. Now we want to add gradient color of this chart background. Click the chart, right button on our mouse, then go to format chart area. Then open a format chart area window. Now we select the gradient fill option. Then apply gradient color of this chart. Select the color drop down menu and apply gradient color. Now we can see here we added gradient background color of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.